is, to some people, voodoo, and to some people would power things. For the people that have used it properly, real inventors like you guys, the real inventors figured out real uses for these things like electricity and power.
Like the heart thing.
Dorothy, power.
Power.
But I think I need a volunteer. What volunteer will I pick? Come on up. Over here and push him. Okay, you push him. Okay, you push him. Okay, you push him. Okay, you push him. Now guys, we're on a warship. What do you think we're demonstrating?
War.
No! I fooled you. It was a trick question. I'll show you what we were demonstrating. You guys know what this is?
Nope. Engine.
Oh my God, you guys are so good. I can't believe you got a good body. Let me tell you, these guys are insane. Why am I here? Why? They already are inventors. I want every one of you, when you get to college, to tell me what you do because you're brilliant. You're all so good. You are absolutely right. This is a steam engine. Hey, wait a second. You guys heard of the Flintstones?
Yeah.
What does this have to do with the Flintstones? Well, do you remember the Brontosaurus moving stuff? And you remember them using their feet to get the cars to go? And you remember the vacuum cleaner with the dinosaur on it? Do you remember how they move things? That's what you guys were doing. You were moving each other. So this is a steam engine. The idea is, what do engines do? Engines push stuff. That's what you guys were doing. You were pushing each other. We were demonstrating. These people back then were solving problems. They said to themselves, put a horse on a wagon with a bunch of wheels, and the horse will do what you guys were doing, so we don't have to have people do it. And then they said, what does a steam engine really do? Okay, so we take this, we light it, we put it in here, the tank has water. When water heats, what happens?
Evaporates.
Exactly, steam rises. That motion, that movement is the same as this. Wind power, same thing. Wind power, you're just pushing things. You're finding different ways of pushing stuff. Ask them afterwards, what here works with steam power? What here works with gas power? What here works with electric power? They're all inventions to move things, just like you guys were moving things. So when you try to think of, you know, they always talk about green energy, you know, gasoline. How do we solve the problem of cars using gasoline some other way? Think to yourself how simple it is. All they're asking you to do is, how do I push something? So when you guys get older and they start trying to solve these problems, say to them, you're complicating it. All we're doing is pushing stuff. So if I can think of another way to push something, maybe we don't have to use gas. Maybe we don't even have to use electric.